Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to introduce yourself and others in English confidently. Whether you're meeting someone new, introducing a friend, or helping a family member meet someone, understanding the structure of introductions is key to confident communication in English. We'll include some real-life conversations that you can follow along with. Listen carefully and try to repeat what you hear. You can pause and repeat whenever needed. Let's get started. 1. Introducing yourself. Self-introduction. A self-introduction can be broken down into 3 simple steps: greeting, name, and context or follow-up. A. The greeting. This sets the tone. Choose your greeting based on the level of formality. You can use hi, hey, or hello there. Use these with friends, classmates, or in casual or informal social settings. For formal settings, you can use good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on the time of day. Use these with colleagues, professors, teachers, supervisors, or at formal events. B. Stating your name. The next part of the introduction is stating your name. This is where you clearly state who you are. We have 2 main ways to do this. The first option is to use "my name is." For example, "My name is Jane." The second option you can use is "I am," or the shortened form "I'm." For example, "I am Jane," or "I'm Jane." C. Adding context. The follow-up. This is the third part of the introduction. Some may refer to this as small talk. This is what makes the introduction a conversation starter. You add a relevant detail about yourself. Context or situation: I'm Maya, and I'm new to this city. Job: I'm Ben, and I work in marketing. Reason for being there: I'm here for the conference. Here are 2 complete examples. Casual: Hi, I'm Alex. I'm taking the history class next door. Formal: Good morning. My name is Miss Evans. I'm the new team lead. 2. Introducing others. When you introduce one person to another, you are acting as a bridge. The structure is usually acknowledge person A, introduce person B, and then give a context or relation, which simply explains how you know the 2 people. Here are some real-life conversations as examples of how to introduce others. Listen carefully and take note of the structure or steps to take when introducing others. Friends introducing a friend.
Hi, Sarah. Hi. This is my friend, John. We work together.
Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, John.
A husband introducing his wife.
Hello, Mark. Hello. This is my wife, Anna.
Nice to meet you, Mark.
Nice to meet you too, Anna.
Workplace introduction. Formal.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
This is our new manager, David.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Neighbors meeting.
Hi.
Hi.
This is my neighbor, James.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, John.
Key introduction phrases. Here are the most common phrases we use. This is the most common phrase. For example, Mark, this is my friend Chloe. I'd like you to meet. A polite, slightly more formal option. For example, Mr. Lee, I'd like you to meet my associate, Miss Kim. Meet. Very casual, often used with friends. Example, hey everyone, meet my cousin Lucas. The order of introduction. In formal settings, it's polite to mention the person of higher status, seniority, or age first. This is a sign of respect. The formal rule is introduce the less senior person to the more senior person. For example, Mr. Smith, the CEO. This is Jane Doe, the new intern. The general rule is it's often easiest to introduce the person you know better to the person you know less well. For example, friend, this is my neighbor. Clarifying the relationship. Always clarify the relationship so the two people know who they are meeting. For example, Jane, this is my colleague from the London office, Mr. Harris. Peter, this is my wife, Sarah. 3. Responding to an introduction. Once you've been introduced, you must respond. Silence is awkward. We have 3 main levels of response: casual, polite, and formal. For example, nice to meet you. So, what do you do? Pleased to meet you. Are you enjoying the party? It's a pleasure to meet you. How do you know Jane? Remember, the introduction isn't the end. It's the beginning. Always be ready with a polite response and maybe a simple follow-up question to keep the conversation flowing.
Let's quickly review some key phrases for introductions. Introducing yourself. Hi, I'm... Hello, my name is... Introducing others. This is... I'd like you to meet... For example, this is my wife, husband, colleague, friend. Responding. Nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Now it's your turn. Try and practice introducing yourself. You can do it aloud or write in the comments below. For example, hello everyone, my name is Jane. I'm from Canada. I am 25 years old. I am a teacher of English. It's nice to meet you all. You can try and answer the question, how would you introduce yourself or others? Well done! That's it for our lesson today. Practice these phrases and you'll introduce yourself and others like a pro. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun and easy English lessons. See you in the next lesson.